So what I'm doing today is just kind of cleaning the yard up a bit, doing a little raking, so it'll have a nice presentation here. Take care of these pals. I might do something with it. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it. I don't know. So, doing some work here, y'all. So my work is finally complete. So let's see what changed. This back area look way better now. Way better. So we have, 4 piles? We have a bucket with some dirt in it that I'll be using for something. I have a pile of rocks, pile of sticks, pile of leaves and grass, a pile of clay and small rocks. There's big rocks, clay, and small rocks. Just in case I haven't mentioned this in earlier videos, I'm pretty sure you all may have seen me doing this in earlier videos, but anyway, just in case I didn't explain it. This is the clay pile, right? This is a pile stacked with clay and small rocks that we shifted from the dirt that's inside the garden. We took the clay out of it because clay gets hard, especially when wet it gets hard. Especially once it dry up, it gets hard. So that's why my dirt that's in this garden is very, very workable. All right. For example, right? See how hard this is? You don't want that in your garden, because if it is, it'd be hard for root to develop, the roots of the plants to develop. Of course, this is, like I say, a I want to call it a compost pile with just carbon and nitrogen, leaves and grass in it. I may use that someday. I don't know. I'm just saving it just in case. Sticks that fell off the trees, I mean. And this is more rocks that came out of the ground. That ground. Didn't want too many big rocks in there. Small rocks are fine because the rocks actually have some nutrients in it. Anyway, so like I said, that's why you see me here. I can easily grab down in that dirt, and it's very, very easy to work with. The roots can grow very good inside this soil here, inside this dirt. All right. So if I was to step on that row, it's called a sink. That's how soft, fine, and how soft and fine the dirt is. One more look at the garden before we end this video. This garden bed, or these rows, are I think 14 inches tall, of just nice, fine, shifted dirt. We hand shift the dirt in buckets. Again, 100% organic. No motorized tillers on this property to prevent the blades from the tiller from stripping the nutrients out of the soil, and just as well prevent any gas, fumes or residue from going inside the earth. Yeah, we're growing our food for a reason. If we want it conventional but unhealthy stuff, we'll be buying it in the grocery store instead of growing it ourselves. We're doing this to prevent from going to the grocery store. Of course, we'll have to go into the grocery store for some things, but don't want to rely on the grocery store. Want to rely on yourself, self-management. Managing your health and organic living. So let's do it. One quick look at all the things I've done today. My wife is going to be surprised, like, wow, there's a lot of work back here in just one day. Just one day of work. right, y'all. It's a wrap. Peace. Y'all's blessings. Y'all be good.